Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2025 Ford Mustang GTD. When it comes to blending raw racing prowess with street-legal finesse, the 2025 Ford Mustang GTD is in a league of its own. This marvel of engineering pushes the boundaries of what a Mustang can be, delivering unparalleled performance, exclusivity, and innovation. The Ford Mustang GTD isn't just another high-performance car. It's a race car reimagined for the road. Free from the constraints of racing regulations, this Mustang is stripped of limitations on horsepower, weight, and aerodynamics. Its roots in competitive racing and its exclusivity cement its status as the most extraordinary and priciest Mustang ever. The Mustang GTD represents a groundbreaking chapter in the Mustang legacy. Powered by a dry-sump version of the 760 horsepower Shelby GT500 engine, the GTD ups the ante with a staggering 815 horsepower. While the GTD's exterior is unapologetically race-inspired, the interior strikes a balance between luxury and performance. Premium materials, a blend of suede, leather, and carbon fiber dominate the cabin, creating an upscale yet functional feel. Recaro bucket seats. The front seats are built for performance and support, while the rear seats are sacrificed for weight savings and cargo space. Aviation-inspired details. The paddle shifters, rotary gear selector, and serial placard are made from titanium sourced from a retired Lockheed Martin F-22 fighter jet. Customization options. Ford offers multiple interior color schemes and equipment options, allowing for unique, bespoke configurations tailored to each owner. The GTD derives its name from the IMSA GTD racing class, reflecting its track-focused DNA. Engine. A supercharged 5.2-liter V8 delivering a mind-blowing 815 horsepower, significantly surpassing the GT3 race car version. Performance. With a red line exceeding 7,500 RPM, the GTD is built for speed and precision, offering an exhilarating driving experience that few road cars can rival. Comparison to GT3. While the GT3 race car utilizes a 5.4-liter V8 with approximately 500 horsepower, the road-going GTD is far more powerful, making it the most potent Mustang ever produced. At an estimated starting price of $325,000, the 2025 Ford Mustang GTD positions itself among the most exclusive vehicles in the automotive world. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.